guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'll be grooming my eyebrows in this video. So first you're gonna start off with some Q-tips and nail, but I suggest that you guys get the facial nail because that's better. It's made for the face. Now you're just gonna outline the shape of your eyebrows. Now you guys gotta be careful doing this because you only want the unnecessary hair to be removed and you don't want to get it in your eyes. And of course you want to keep your eyelashes.
Ryan Little.
Okay, so now you're gonna need some cotton balls. You're gonna soak a few and keep a few dry ones to the side. If you don't have any cotton balls, you could use napkins or hand towel, whichever you prefer. Okay, so now I'm using my razor to add some more sharpness to it, to clean around the edges.
Ryan Little.
Then I'm just using a tweezer to remove the stubborn hair, the little shrivels that, be lingering about. You don't want them to linger, you want them to go. So now it's trimming time. You're gonna need your mini eyebrow brush and a mini scissors. So basically you're gonna brush your hair down and the excessive hair that's hanging, you're gonna trim it.
Ryan Little. Ryan Little.
Once again, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much, you guys. Peace out, baby.